Welcome back to the new video. I've found a fresh and newly launched free mining platform.
Where you can mine X Plus coins for free. X Plus is a new crypto mining platform with less competition, potentially leading to higher rewards. Early enthusiasts can explore the initial stages of the X Plus coin, providing an opportunity to convert mined coins into cash for a promising journey ahead. The X Plus mining platform promises miners a profitable future earning opportunity. Take the opportunity to boost your cryptocurrency holdings through free mining.
The website and application, both link has been provided in the description. To claim an exclusive welcome bonus on the X Plus website, please sign up through the provided link. Upon clicking the link, you will be redirected to a user-friendly interface where you can select your preferred method of joining, such as
email, Google, Twitter, Telegram, Apple, and more.
I prefer to choose my email address to sign up. Simply enter your email address, wait for the verification code sent to your email. Now go to your email and copy the code and paste it back here on the website. Then set up your username here. Then use my referral code KETRI23 to unlock instant bonus points or type code here. Once you have successfully signed up, you can see this kind of interface. To get started, simply click on Start Social Mining, and the mining process will begin automatically. You can claim Xcoin every 3 hours, and afterward, click on the Start Free Mining option to keep it going.
Another way to boost your mining speed is by sharing your link with friends. If they join through your link, your mining level will increase, and you can earn more profit from this platform. Scroll up a bit, and you'll find the activeness. You can see different type options. You can boost your mining speed and maximize profit by actively engaging in social media activities.
Performing simple tasks such as liking posts, commenting on X Plus related posts, and sharing on social media can boost your mining speed, resulting in increased profits from mining. Now I'm going to show my mined coin from this platform. You can see I have successfully earned 850 plus Xcoin by mining. My earnings are steadily increasing. You can achieve the same results by starting your mining journey with the X Plus app. Join now and start earning.
Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for exciting videos coming soon. Thank you.